This is your 2-minute update on MSUSpartans.com. I'm your host, Kara Albrecht. The football team knows they can't make any more mistakes if they want to stay in the race in the Legends division, and they have to close out games in the fourth quarter. Iowa drove the length of the field in the closing moments of regulation, scoring the game-tying touchdown in the last minute of the quarter. That drive was particularly painful for the Spartan defense.
We had them on a long third down, second down, whatever it was, and running back ended up getting out, breaking free for a long run. It kind of gave them a little jump start, got them going a little bit, and they were able to score with about 55 seconds left on the clock. Those are the things that you really hope your defense can bow up and really stop them and finish the game that way.
Women's soccer at home for a blustery game against Indiana. The Spartans had the win in the first half and used it to dominate the shot totals. Allison Krause scored in the 18th minute to give MSU the upper hand, but the Hoosiers tied it up in the second half and scored again in the second overtime session to extend the Spartans' winless streak to 4 games.
Well, I feel, it's a kick in the gut, but this time I think we got to own this one because of what you said. In the first half, we needed to put our chances away. And that's really the story of the game. We had multiple chances and we weren't sharp, and we let them hang around, and that's what happens. Credit to them for hanging in there and coming back.
Men's soccer in State College, where the Nittany Lions were winless in their last 4 games. Penn State took a lead in the first half, and the Spartans thought they had tied it up, but Dominic Baroni was ruled offside on the play. Penn State got the benefit of an own goal early in the second half before Luke Norman found Adam Montague with a great through ball. The sophomore scored his 4th goal of the season with a hard shot, but that was as close as the Spartans would get. 2-1, Penn State wins and breaks a 3rd-place tie in the Big Ten standings with Michigan State. Michigan Week kicks off Monday as the Spartans try to win their 5th straight against the Wolverines and keep the Paul Bunyan Trophy. That's your 2-minute update on MSUSpartans.com. I'm your host, Kara Albrecht. You give us 2 minutes, we'll give you the Spartans.